Teacher forgets to hang up phone, and mom overhears something that leaves her disgusted. Teachers are thought to be like a child's second parent. Whenever the kids go to school, their real parents expect the teachers to teach them valuable lessons and guide them along the way as they grow up. Their teachers play a big and crucial role in their maturing personalities and development. Parent invests serious time and money to the teachers and the school as a whole for the overall education and learning of their children, which is why it's totally heartbreaking to hear the story of this young lady when she was still in 5th grade. In February 2015, a mother named Beth Soa received a phone call from one of her daughter's teachers. The teacher wanted to tell Beth that her 5th grader was struggling in school. The teacher was very polite to take the time to let Beth know about her daughter's performance in school and how she can improve. Or so she thought. Beth's good impressions immediately went down the drain with what happened next. For some reason, the teacher failed to hang up the phone and kept on talking, recording himself and 2 other educators. Beth was so shocked by the accidental voicemail left on her phone that she had to listen to the message twice. In the voicemail, the 3 elementary teachers can be heard making fun of Beth's daughter. The horrible comments insult the child's abilities and appearance. To make matters worse, Beth's daughter has Turner syndrome, a chromosomal disorder that causes developmental delays and cognitive issues. She also suffers from obsessive-compulsive disorder and depression. It was very difficult for Beth to tell her child, who has been bullied by her peers for years, that she was now being bullied by her teachers. Beth was distraught that adults can be bullies too. Beth filed a federal lawsuit a week after the incident against the McGuffrey School District for the alleged degrading remarks against her daughter. Beth also claimed the school was irresponsible in not providing her with adequate testing. The mom was also suing the district about a special needs education plan for her daughter in 2013. She said that her daughter gained support when these concerns about her education were discussed. Apparently, her daughter's special education plan in 2013 was revoked without explanation or consent from the legal guardian, resulting in what she claims are years of delays in the girl's education. I would like for the school district to acknowledge that they have teachers that obviously need counseling, Beth added. The amount of damages she is seeking in the suit has not been revealed to the public. Meanwhile, Michael McElligott, a special education hearing officer who wrote a report on the incident, called the comments nearly unfathomable and frankly heartbreaking. It was bothersome to gauge that the people on that recording are educators working with 10-year-old children and are particularly discussing some of these children who clearly have significant disabilities. The educators mocked the students' mathematics ability, physical appearance, and classroom behavior, punctuating these crass comments with discriminating laughter. Attorney Noah Geary said in the complaint that the teachers said insulting, horrible things about the students on the recording, but that the district did nothing about it. Beth then decided to pull her daughter from class and enrolled her in online classes, but then reluctantly returned her to the district for 6th grade. As of right now, Beth's daughter is already in her 8th grade, and Beth is spreading their story to as many people as possible, especially to those with the same condition as her daughter, to raise awareness of the harsh reality that comes with bullying and discrimination. Beth made a stand to no longer tolerate these disgusting acts, and ultimately, she did what's right for her daughter. Adults who deal with children like Beth's daughter should have more patience and understanding than usual. They should never be the ones to eye them down. Thanks for watching until the end. Be sure to check out our channel for more bizarre and mind-blowing stories.